Okay. Yesterday, few students asked one doubt regarding the problem. Okay, multiplexer problem. I'll just show you how to do that problem. Okay, just go onto the screen. Let me start a problem. Okay. Let me take a problem like this. Summation of m equals 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. This is a problem. Okay, this is a problem he is asked using 8 is to 1 mux. So this is a common problem that can be asked. Okay, so using 8 is to 1 mux. Let me solve how to do this. I'll just explain you how to do this. Okay, so first of all, the question is very straightforward, is 8 is to 1 mux. So take 8 inputs. Okay, 8 is to 1 mux will be having 8 inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me call the 8 inputs as D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Okay, so 8 inputs will have one output in the form of Y and 3 select lines. Okay, 8 inputs will have 3 select lines. We call it as S0, S1, S2. Let me call it as S2. Okay, since 8 is to 1 mux is having 8 inputs, but my maximum input is only 7. So it is very easy for me to do. This is very important. Okay, I can have up to 7 in 8 is to 1 mux. More than 7, we have to use another technique. Right now, we don't have that option, so let's not worry about that. Only thing what you need to do here is you draw 2 lines. One is VCC, the other one is ground. One is VCC, the other one is ground. Okay, you have your 0 here, right? 0 in the sense it is D0. 0 in the sense it is D0. Since D0 is given and it is summation of m. Okay, we know that summation of n is always 1. Therefore, connect this line to VCC. Okay, so D1 is given here. This is D1, so give this to VCC. D2 is given, give it to VCC. There is no D3, so give it to ground. There is no D4, give it to ground. There you have D5, give it to VCC. You have D6, give it to VCC. You have D7, give it to VCC. This is very simple problem. This is only simple problem. Okay, so if you want to write the truth table, you can write 0, 0, 0, which is 1, 0, 0, 1, which is 1. Okay, likewise, which you don't have in this table, mark it as 0. This is a truth table. Call this table as ABC. Call this table as ABC. Okay, so this is the very simplest problem which you can get for 4 marks. Okay, which you can get for 4. Okay, 8 is to 1 marks. If having up to, you can have up to 18. Okay, fine. Now what I do here is, let me take up another problem. Let me take another problem. Summation m of 0, 1, 3, 7, 9, 14, 15. 15 using 16 is to 1. Using 16. This is again very interesting problem and a straightforward problem. Okay, so very simple. What you need to do is, since it is he has given directly 16 is to 1, I can have up to input 0 to 15. Yes, of course, we have more than 7 up to 15. So what you do? First input is call it as 0 input, 1 input, second input. Likewise, go up to 15 inputs. Likewise, go up to 15 inputs, and you have one output in the form of y. Since it is 16 is to 1, okay, you'll be having 4 select lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Call it as S0, S1, S2, S3. Okay. Now, the concept remains same. You draw 2 lines, VCC, and one more line ground. Okay, one more line ground, draw just 2 lines. You have 0 here. So give that value of 0 to VCC. You have 1 here. Give that 1 to VCC. You don't have 2 here. So give that 2 to ground. Okay, you have 9, you have 15, give that 15 to VCC. That's all the problem. That's all the problem. Okay, this is very simple. Hope you got an idea about how to solve this problem. Okay, yeah. So now let me, do one thing. Let me solve the same problem using 8 is to 1. let me solve the same problem using ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Custom, you have to work out some here because you have up to 16 inputs. Okay, you have 16 inputs here. Okay, but how can you do it with using 8:1 marks? Not possible. Not possible. So you have to take one variable because 16 inputs require 4 variables. 8:1 will be having only 3 variables. So what we need to do here is very simple. First step is to take the input like that: A, B, C, D. Okay, and the output as Y. Step number 1. First, since it is 4 variables, A, B, C, D as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Likewise, you have to go up to 1, 1, 1, 1. I'll just show you shortly. Okay, they can even give don't care here, not a problem. They can even give don't care here. Don't care of 4, 13. Something, let me take it as don't care of 4, 13. Okay, so now look very clear. Okay, you have 0, 0, 0 here. Okay, you have 0, 0, 0 here. So therefore, for the 0, 0, 0, mark it output Y as 1. You have 1 here. So mark the output for Y as 1. You don't have 2 here. Is just 2 in don't care? No, not even don't care. Hence mark the 2 as 0. Do you have 3? Yes, I do have 3. So mark 3 as 1. Do you have 4? Yes, I have 4 as don't care. So mark that 4 as X. Mark that 4 as X. I don't have 5 here. Mark it as 0. Do I have 6? No, I don't have 6. Mark it as 0. Do you have 7? Yes, I have 7. Mark it as 1. I have 15. Mark the 15 also as 1. This is the very first step we need to understand. Any problem of ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ 4:1 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೀವು 8:2. Okay, I'll let you know later. First, let me do this problem. Okay, ಈಗ what you do here is, since I should take only 3 variables. Okay, because I'm doing 8:1 marks, I cannot do using 4 variables. Let me use the 4th variable as map entered variable. Okay, I choose this 4th variable as map entered variable. So next step is draw a vertical line for D. ABC ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು D ಮತ್ತೆ Y ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿ 2 ರೋನು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ 2 ರೋನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is very important what I want to say. That means 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ABC ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 2 ರೋ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 16 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದ್ದು 8 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಳಿದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. So I call this input as input number D0. I call this input as input number D1. I call this input as input number D2. I call this input as input number D3. Likewise, if I go, the last input will be mine will be D7. Yes. Now I don't get D15. D15 ನಂಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ because ಎರಡೆರಡು ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಈಗ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಈಗ next step ಬರೋಣ. ಇದು first step. Truth table is the first step. Then mark your output Y as second step. Then draw the vertical lines. Call every 2 rows with a single name. Okay. Now now let me have one more column called as MEV output. This is called as map entered variable output. Map entered variable output. Okay. So again, this is D0. This is D1. This is D2. This is clear. Now you have to compare 0 with 1. 1 with 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ D ಏನೇ ಆಗಿದ್ರೂ output 1 ಇದೆ. Output 1 is therefore ಎರಡು output 1 ಇದ್ರೆ my output will also be 1. My output will also be 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ D0 this is nothing but ಯಾವುದು ಇದು? This is nothing but D0. So therefore D0 will be 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. D0 will be 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ? D0 ಇದ್ರೆ Y0 ಇದೆ, D1 ಇದ್ರೆ Y1 ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ you should write Y in terms of D. You should write Y in terms of D. D0 ಇದ್ರೆ Y0 ಇದೆ, D1 ಇದ್ರೆ Y1 ಇದೆ. Therefore I can say the output is D only. Output is D only. D1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ Y equals D ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಅದು. Output is D only. Okay, ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಶುಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ you try to take a different problems and let me know through WhatsApp. I'll help you out. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್ ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದ್ರೆ 0 ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ I can take one kade 0 irodrinda, I can take even this also as 0, because don't care, I can take both 1 and 0. However, this column will be equal to 0, which is equal to D2. D2 0 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. D2 0 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ 0 0 1 1 ಮತ್ತೆ D ಆಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ D ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, 2x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 0 0 1 1, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ D, ಅಥವಾ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಬೋತ್ x ಆಸ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಸ್ 1, ಹಂಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 2x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ 2x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, y is opposite to D ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, y will be equal to D bar ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. y will be equal to D bar ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಕಾಲಮ್. ಪ್ರತಿ ಎರಡರನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 2 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 2 ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ D ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ D ಬಾರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 2 ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐದರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ 0 ಆರ್ 1, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕೇರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾರು ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐದರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಯು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 0 0 0 1 1, ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ this output. How do you write it? Okay, ಈಗ if I write the circuit, here, this is, let me write it 8:1. Okay, I'll write it 8:1 here. Okay, this is D0. Okay, this is D1, this is D2, D3, D4, D4, okay, this is D5, D6, D7, output as Y, and you have 3 selected because it is 8:1. ಈಗ simple. You need a previous problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ you had 2 lines VCC ground, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 lines ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 4 lines ಬರುತ್ತೆ in fact. Okay, you will get 4 lines. First line, second line, third line, fourth line. Okay, let me call first line as D, second line as D bar, third line as VCC, fourth line as ground ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ D0 here? D0 is 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ VCC, ಸೊ ತಗೊಂಡು VCC ಲೈನ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ D1? D1 is D, ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ you give it to D. What is D2? D2 is 0, so give it to ground. Okay, so what is D3? This is D3. D3 is D bar. D bar is the, give it to D bar. Okay, similarly go till, that's all the problem. Okay, hope you understand this. Try to solve. Even this is the same if you get a suppose my number is 7. Okay, if I have only value up to 7, okay, the question can be asked using 4:1 marks design ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ, because 7:1 8:1 ಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಬತ್ತ ಒಂದು 4:1 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ನೀವು ಆಚೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಆಚೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಎರಡರನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, this is all about the problem which you had messaged me. Okay, and other few has messaged me about ring counter. Ring counter ಅಂದ್ರೆ suppose a 4-bit ring counter. 4-bit ಅಂದ್ರೆ you need 4 flip flops ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 4-bit ring counter ಅಂದ್ರೆ you need 4 flip flops. Okay, normally the flip flops will be of D flip flop. Okay, so take D1, D2, D3, D4, D1, D2, D3, D4. Okay, here output one to the next output, second output to the third input. Okay, next the third input to the fourth input. Okay, make all common clocks. make all clocks common. Okay, this is the input. This is the input. Okay, ring counter andre you should count in ring fashion. Ring fashion andre 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 2 4 4 to 5. So this is the final output. Okay, final output. We call it as Q4. Let me call it as Q4. This is Q3. This is Q2. This is Q1. Do one thing. Ring counter andre Q4 ಇಂದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q4 ಬಾರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Q4 ಬಾರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ Q4 ಬಾರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಂಗ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ರಿಂಗ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಜಾನ್ಸನ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ if you give this feedback, this is Johnson. Aste. Only simple. Most of you have asked this. Okay. Same 4 flip-flops you take. If you give from Q4 to the first input, it is ring counter. Okay. This is ring. Ring. Okay. This is Johnson counter. Opposite. ಈಗ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Let me write this. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay. Let me write it for ring count. Let me say that the first input is 1. So therefore Q1 will be 1. This is Q1. This is Q1. Q1 will be 1 for the clock 1. Okay. The rest will be 0 because ಯಾವುದು ಹೋಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ Q1 shifts here. The rest becomes 0. Previous flip flop ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೂರನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ this 1 gets shifted here. Okay. The rest 2 will be 0. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ this 1 will get shifted here. 0 0 0 1. ಐದನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ this 1 will come back here. 1 0 0 0 because feedback ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸೇಮ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. Okay. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ Q4 will come to this. Q1 will go to Q2, Q2 will go to Q3, Q3 will go to Q4. This is the truth table of a ring counter. Okay. Okay. Truth table of Johnson counter ಹೆಂಗೆ? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. You have a clock pulse. As usual, you have a clock pulse here. Okay. So clock pulse 1 here is, when you give the first clock pulse, let me assume that the first output input is 1, 0, 0, 0. Since you are given from Q bar here, whatever you have in this Q4, the opposite will come back to the next counter. And the second clock alli ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. That means this becomes 1. This 1 gets shifted here as 1. This 0 will be here. This 0 will be here. Okay, in the third clock pulse, what you have in Q4? 0 is there. So therefore, this will become 1, 1, again 1, 0. The fourth clock pulse. Again, this is 0. 1, 1, 1, 1 now. The fifth clock pulse. Since you have 1 here, Q4 1 is there. This is what I am saying. Q4 is 1, but I am taking from Q4 bar alone. The Q4 bar should be opposite to that. Therefore, this becomes 0. This becomes 0. The rest 1, 1, 1 will get shifted. Okay. This is the difference between ring counter and Johnson. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubts, let me know. I'll just explain it again. Okay. Few students had doubts.